If you are ready to start your journey of transformation and success, you are at the right place. I bet you noticed so far that bad things happen when you feel bad. It's the same with the good things. The power of your thoughts and feelings is usually neglected by almost everyone, yet deep down, everybody understands their power. As a matter of fact, your thoughts and feelings are everything you have. They are your only tools in creating your reality, not your hands. Because if your actions aren't aligned with your thoughts and feelings, you won't create opportunities and synchronicities no matter how hard you try. So you need to learn how to see it and how to feel it to manifest it. Not just in theory, you really need to understand what we are about to discuss today. So pay attention. Our thoughts and emotions can shape our perception of reality. Two people can experience the same event, yet interpret it differently based on their thoughts and emotions. This suggests that our subjective reality is influenced by our inner world. The placebo effect is a well-documented phenomenon in which individuals experience real improvements in their health or well-being after receiving a treatment with no therapeutic value simply because they believe it will work. So this demonstrates the power of belief and expectation in influencing outcomes. Our mental and emotional states can affect our physical health. Chronic stress, for example, has been linked to various health problems, including heart disease, digestive issues, and weakened immune function. Similarly, positive emotions and a hopeful outlook can promote overall well-being. When we believe something strongly enough, we may subconsciously act in ways that make that belief come true. For example, if someone believes they are destined to fail in a particular endeavor, they may sabotage their own efforts, inadvertently fulfilling their own negative expectation. Our brain possesses an incredible ability known as neuroplasticity. This means that the brain can change and rewire itself in response to our thoughts and experiences. When we consistently focus on certain thoughts or emotions, we strengthen specific neural pathways, making those thoughts and emotions more prominent in our lives. While quantum physics may seem far removed from daily life, it has some intriguing implications that have sparked interest in its connection to consciousness and the nature of reality. Neuroplasticity offers hope for those who wish to break free from the constraints of their past experiences and traumas. By rewiring the brain, we can release the grip of past memories and create new, empowering narratives for our lives. I often speak about self-directed neuroplasticity, which underscores our ability to take charge of our brain's transformation. By directing our attention and intention toward a clear vision of our desired future, we can facilitate the neural changes necessary to manifest that vision. Our thoughts and feelings have a direct impact on the physical structure of our brains. As we consistently focus on particular thoughts and emotions, we strengthen specific neural connections related to those thoughts. This neural rewiring has a profound influence on our perception of reality and the choices we make. When we think about our dreams, desires, and intentions, we're essentially creating mental blueprints. These mental blueprints are encoded in our brain's neural pathways. The more we reinforce these patterns with intention and emotional energy, the more likely we are to translate them into tangible actions and outcomes. Emotions act as powerful catalysts in this process. They are the driving force that propels our thoughts and intentions into action. Consider this. When you merely think about your dreams, the mental image may lack the necessary energy to manifest in the physical world. However, when you infuse those thoughts with strong, positive emotions, you amplify their creative potential. So, this emotional charge not only intensifies your focus and determination, but also sends a clear signal to your brain that these thoughts are significant. Consequently, your brain becomes more attuned to opportunities and possibilities aligned with your desires. In essence, your thoughts and emotions work together to create a resonant field that attracts corresponding experiences and circumstances into your life. While the power of thoughts and emotions is undeniably transformative, the question remains, why do so many people struggle to manifest their dreams effectively? One of the primary barriers is our deeply ingrained belief systems. Many of us carry limiting beliefs that have been formed through years of conditioning and past experiences. These beliefs act as subconscious roadblocks, obstructing the alignment between our thoughts, emotions, and our dreams. When our beliefs are incongruent with our desires, they create resistance, making it challenging to manifest our dreams. Manifestation requires a consistent and sustained focus on our dreams. paired with the appropriate emotional intensity. However, the demands and distractions of daily life can disrupt this consistency. Maintaining a high emotional state and unwavering focus can be difficult, especially when faced with setbacks or external challenges. Instant gratification is the norm in our fast-paced world. Many individuals become discouraged when they don't see immediate results in manifesting their dreams. So this impatience can erode the trust in the process and hinder their ability to persistently align their thoughts and emotions with their desires. Fear is another formidable obstacle. The prospect of failure or stepping into the unknown can paralyze individuals, preventing them from taking the necessary actions to manifest their dreams. Fear-based thinking often triggers a cascade of negative emotions, further reinforcing the belief that their dreams are unattainable. The journey to manifestation begins with setting clear and precise intentions. Define what you want to manifest with specificity and clarity. The more detailed your intentions, the clearer the instructions you provide to your subconscious mind and the quantum field. Emotions are the energy behind our intentions, so it's crucial to cultivate elevated emotions that align with your desires. Feel as though your intention has already manifested. For instance, if you desire abundance, immerse yourself in the feelings of gratitude, joy, and abundance as if they were already present in your life. Visualization and meditation are powerful tools to facilitate the manifestation process. In meditation, you can access a state of inner stillness and heightened awareness. During this state, vividly visualize your desired outcome while feeling the associated positive emotions. As you do this consistently, you are rewiring your brain and communicating your intentions to the quantum field. Repetition of your intentions and visualizations reinforces the neural pathways associated with your desires. By regularly immersing yourself in the emotions of your manifested reality, you make it more accessible for your subconscious mind to accept and act upon your intentions. While it's essential to be clear and focused on your intentions, it's equally important to release the need to control every aspect of the manifestation process. So, trust that the quantum field, the universe, or the greater intelligence will work in your favor. Surrender control while maintaining unwavering faith in the process. Cultivate a daily practice of gratitude and mindfulness. Express gratitude for what you already have and for the manifestations that are on their way. Mindfulness keeps you present and attuned to your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to make necessary adjustments when you notice any misalignment with your intentions. Incorporate the act as if principle into your life. This means behaving and making choices as if your desires have already manifested. When you align your actions with your intentions, you bridge the gap between your current reality and the reality you want to create. Once you've set clear intentions, it's time to immerse yourself in the corresponding emotions as if your desires have already materialized. This is where the magic happens. Imagine the joy, gratitude, love, and fulfillment you would feel if your desires were a reality right now. Picture yourself living that life, experiencing those emotions, and engaging with your manifested reality. Now, picture yourself living that life, experiencing those emotions, and engaging with your manifested reality. Visualizing involves seeing in your mind's eye the images and scenes associated with your manifested desires. Imagine the colors, shapes, and details vividly. Whether it's picturing yourself in a new home, a dream job, or a fulfilling relationship, make the mental imagery as clear and crisp as possible. Activate your sense of hearing by imagining the sounds and voices connected to your desired reality. For instance, if your goal is to become a successful musician, visualize yourself performing to a cheering crowd or hearing the applause and positive feedback from your audience. The sound of your success can be a powerful emotional trigger. Engaging your sense of touch involves feeling the textures, temperatures, and sensations associated with your desired reality. If your goal is to travel to a tropical paradise, imagine the warm sand beneath your feet, the cool ocean breeze on your skin, and the sensation of relaxation and contentment as you soak up the sun. Activate your sense of smell by imagining the scents and aromas associated with your desired experiences. If your goal is to live in a beautiful countryside retreat, envision the scent of fresh flowers, pine forests, or any other fragrances that transport you to that location. Elevated emotions are the key to this practice. Cultivate feelings of joy, gratitude, love, and excitement as you immerse yourself in your desired reality. These positive emotions have a high frequency and align you with the quantum field, making your intentions more potent and magnetic. While it's crucial to envision your future desires, remember that the present moment is where the power lies. Feel the emotions of your manifested reality in the now. So when you do this, you send a clear signal to your subconscious mind and the universe that these emotions are your current reality, which in turn attracts corresponding experiences. Consistency is key to reinforcing your neural pathways and maintaining a heightened emotional state. Incorporate this practice into your daily routine. The more frequently you engage in feeling your desired reality, the more natural it becomes, and the more you align yourself with the frequency of your intentions. Doubt and resistance are common barriers to effective manifestation. When they arise, acknowledge them, but don't dwell on them. Shift your focus back to your elevated emotions and your vision of your manifested reality. Trust in the process and have faith that the universe is working in your favor. While you immerse yourself in the emotions of your desired reality, maintain a sense of detachment from the specific outcome. This detachment allows you to release any attachment to the how and when of your manifestation. Trust that the universe will deliver in its own perfect timing. Express gratitude and appreciation for the manifestations that are on their way. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that amplifies the magnetic pull of your intentions and keeps you in a positive emotional state. Releasing doubt and resistance is a crucial step in the process of manifestation, as these negative emotions can act as significant roadblocks to your desires. When doubt and resistance are present, they create inner conflict and send conflicting signals to your subconscious mind and the universe, hindering the manifestation process. The first step in releasing doubt and resistance is to become aware of them. Pay attention to your inner dialogue and emotional responses when you think about your desires. Are there thoughts or feelings of skepticism, fear, unworthiness, or disbelief? These are signs of doubt and resistance. Once you've identified doubt and resistance, take some time to understand their origins. These emotions often stem from past experiences, conditioning, or limiting beliefs. By acknowledging where they come from, you can begin to address them more effectively. It's important to approach yourself with self-compassion during this process. Recognize that doubt and resistance are common human experiences, and it's okay to have moments of uncertainty. Be kind and patient with yourself as you work through these emotions. Trust is a fundamental component of releasing doubt and resistance. Trust that the universe is always working in your favor and that your intentions are being heard. Have faith that the manifestation process is unfolding in its own perfect timing. In essence, feeling it to manifest it is about aligning your inner emotional state with your desired reality. By consistently experiencing the elevated emotions associated with your intentions, you become a vibrational match to the experiences you wish to create. This practice taps into the principles of quantum physics and the innate potential of your subconscious mind to actively co-create the reality you desire. Remember that patience, trust, and unwavering commitment to this process are key to its success. So, the more you feel it, the more you will manifest it into your life. Remember, your mind is a remarkable tool, and your emotions are the fuel that can propel your dreams into reality. By consistently aligning your thoughts and feelings with your intentions, you have the potential to create the life you desire. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and sharing it with others who may benefit from these insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that empowers you to manifest your dreams and live your fullest potential. As you continue your journey, always keep in mind that you are the co-creator of your reality. Embrace the power within you, and may your path be filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Thank you for being a part of our community.